Bitcoin price dips below $104,000 after Israeli strikes on Iran spark global sell-off. Bitcoin, Iran. Market. The drop from a 24-hour high of $108,500 came as investors reacted to the prospect of a broader geopolitical crisis, triggering a retreat from risk assets. Crypto journalist. Amin Ayan. Crypto journalist. Amin Ayan. About author. Amin Ayan is a crypto journalist with over 4 years of experience in the industry. He has contributed to leading publications such as Cryptonews, Investing.com, 99 Bitcoins, and 24/7 Wall Street. He has author profile, share, copied, last updated 9 hours ago. Why trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Key takeaways. Bitcoin dropped over 4% as Israeli airstrikes on Iran sparked a broad sell-off. The U.S. began evacuations from Iraq amid fears of escalating regional conflict. Crypto markets turned risk-off, with Ethereum and XRP also posting sharp losses. Bitcoin fell sharply late Thursday, sliding over 4% to $103,556, following Israeli airstrikes on Iran that intensified already fragile Middle East tensions. The drop from a 24-hour high of $108,500 came as investors reacted to the prospect of a broader geopolitical crisis, triggering a retreat from risk assets. The sharp sell-off led to the liquidation of $427 million in long positions in the past 24 hours. Israeli officials confirmed the airstrikes targeted military infrastructure near Tehran and Tabriz, describing the action as a preemptive measure in response to Iran's nuclear threat. Bitcoin drops as Israel's attack on Iran could continue for days. Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu called the operation a necessary step to remove this threat, adding it would continue as many days as it takes. Iran has yet to issue an official response, but state media reported explosions and airspace closures. Meanwhile, the U.S. began pulling diplomats from Iraq and offered voluntary evacuations to military families in neighboring countries. The State Department also issued warnings for American citizens to leave Iraq, citing regional instability. In Washington, Secretary of State Marco Rubio said Israel acted unilaterally but had informed the U.S. beforehand. Former Trump advisor Steve Witkoff noted that nuclear negotiations with Iran are still on the table, though risks of escalation remain. Historically, Bitcoin has shown sensitivity to geopolitical unrest, often falling as traders reduce exposure to volatile assets. While the crypto asset is seen by some as a long-term hedge, its short-term price often mirrors broader risk sentiment. Ethereum followed the downward trend, slipping below $2,500, while XRP retreated to $2.10, adding to the market-wide pressure. Bitcoin struggles to hold $104,000 amid tensions. Bitcoin is trading at $103,990 at the time of writing, showing signs of stabilization after a sharp 4% drop triggered by rising geopolitical tensions in the Middle East. Price briefly dipped below $103,000 following Israeli airstrikes on Iran, but has since bounced modestly. On the 2-hour chart, BTC remains under pressure, with Bollinger Bands widening and price hugging the lower band, a sign of increased volatility and bearish momentum. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, has dropped to 25.51, deep in oversold territory, indicating potential for a short-term relief bounce. However, MACD values remain heavily negative, minus 438.59 MACD line, suggesting bearish momentum is still dominant. Zooming into the 30-minute time frame, price is struggling to reclaim the $105,000 zone. RSI stands at 32.30, also near oversold levels, while MACD shows downward expansion, further reinforcing downside risk if support fails. Bollinger Bands on this time frame show a bearish squeeze breaking to the downside. The 1-minute chart reflects short-term recovery attempts, with RSI bouncing to 66.49 and MACD crossing bullishly. Still, this minor uptick is not yet confirmed by higher timeframes, suggesting caution is warranted. Key levels to watch include immediate support at $102,533 and resistance at $105,693. A close above $105,000 could ease selling pressure, but failure to reclaim it may open the door to further losses toward $100,000. For now, sentiment remains risk-off, and BTC bulls must defend current levels to avoid deeper correction. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics. Price predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. XRP price prediction. Ripple's Wall Street deal with Guggenheim sparks $100 target speculation. Leading AI, Claude, predicts the price of Ethereum, Cardano, and XRP by end of 2025. Which crypto aggregator platforms to watch in 2025? Industry talk. XRP price prediction. Ripple CEO Garlinghouse says XRP could power $21 trillion in SWIFT transfers. $1,000 XRP possible? 18 hours ago. By Simon Chandler. Altcoin news. Serial investor Gary Cardone slams XRP as Ripple aligns with Europe on digital euro project. 3 days ago. By Amin Ayan. Price analysis. Bitcoin price prediction. BTC crashes to $103,000 as Binance enters Syria and BlackRock eyes crypto crown. 10 hours ago. By Arslan Butt. Best crypto to buy now in June 2025. Top crypto to invest in. May 6, 2025. By Alan Draper. Best new crypto coins to invest in 2025. Top new cryptocurrencies. May 6, 2025. By Inesis Tavares. 13 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Upcoming token sales. March 3, 2025. By Alan Draper. 12 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in June 2025. April 13, 2025. By Elijah Rankovich. 13 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. May 5, 2025. By Inesis Tavares. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? September 11, 2024. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 19, 2024. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 28, 2024. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? August 28, 2024. By Ben Beto.